Are you tired of hearing outdated investment advice that just doesn't work anymore? 2025 is here, and the game has changed. Stick with me for the next 6 minutes, and I'll show you the best way to invest your money this year. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up, this strategy could transform your financial future. Let's dive in. The shift in investment strategies in 2025. The first thing you need to understand is that investing in 2025 isn't what it used to be. Gone are the days of relying solely on traditional stocks and bonds. With the rise of artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and global shifts in the economy, there are new opportunities that can potentially grow your wealth faster than ever before. Investment opportunities in 2025. But here's the key. Success in investing today is all about diversifying your portfolio with purpose. Let's break this down step by step. Leverage AI-powered investment. Tools. Step 1 is leveraging AI-powered investment tools. These tools analyze market trends in real time, helping you make smarter decisions with less guesswork. Platforms like Wealthfront, Betterment, and others use cutting-edge algorithms to create tailored investment strategies just for you. Not only does this save time, but it also increases your chances of achieving higher returns. AI-powered investing. Think of these tools as your personal financial advisors who never sleep, constantly working to optimize your portfolio. Invest in emerging markets and technologies. Step 2. Focus on emerging markets and technologies. This includes industries like renewable energy, artificial intelligence, and decentralized finance, DeFi. These sectors are experiencing explosive growth and offer incredible opportunities for investors willing to think ahead. For example, renewable energy stocks, like solar and wind power companies, are predicted to skyrocket as the world transitions to sustainable solutions. Investing early could position you to reap significant rewards as these markets mature. Don't forget index funds and ETFs. Now let's not forget the power of index funds and ETFs. These remain some of the most reliable investment vehicles for building long-term wealth. Why? Because they're low-cost, diversified, and historically deliver steady growth. Long-term wealth. If you're risk-averse or just starting, putting a portion of your money into a broad-based index fund like the S&P 500 can be a smart move. Automate and stay consistent. Finally, step 4. Automate and stay consistent. The key to wealth building is consistency. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts so you're growing your portfolio without even thinking about it. This strategy is called set it and forget it, and trust me, it works. Remember, investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. The longer you stay invested, the more your money compounds. And there you have it, the best way to invest in 2025. Let's recap. Leverage AI-powered investment tools. Focus on emerging markets and technologies. Diversify with index funds and ETFs. Automate your investments and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more actionable financial advice. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet. See you in the next video.